Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Bigo Live. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Bigo Live. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Bigo Live on your device. Then add in your phone number or sign up with your social media account. Today we will be signing up with our phone number. Tap Next. A verification code will be sent automatically and verified. Now create your password. Tap Sign Up. It is now time to set up your profile. If you want to skip this step, tap Skip at the top right. So tap the camera icon and allow the permissions. Now select or take your picture and tap Save. When done, create your username for your profile. Select your gender and add in your birth date. Tap Confirm and Next. Now tap the check to follow or unfollow the broadcasters. Or you can skip the step and tap Start. And that's how you sign up for Bigo Live. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.